The inevitable quality of human resources that occurred in the scope of education had occurred in a lot. Children of elementary and middle school were affected by its inevitability. That's why this motion appeared. This house would abolish primary and middle school years that group children based on age and instead group them by competency and intelligence. We, as the Prime Minister of this motion, are agreed to this mission. Why? But before that, I want to explain to you the burden, the definition of this motion, the stance, and the model. First, what is the burden and what to prove? First, why we must abolish our age grouping. Second, why should primary and middle school years? 3, why should we group them by competency and intelligence? Second, what is the definition of the motion? First, primary. Primary is a school where the students are ranged from 1st grade to 6th grade. Second, middle school years where the students are ranged from the 7th grade till the 9th grade. 3, age grouping means in this motion is where the students is grouped based from the age. Fourth, the children. Children here means the students from 1st grade until the 9th grade. Fifth, competency. Competency here in this motion is the capability of skill and ability. Sixth, the intelligence. The intelligence here is the capability of knowledge. Third, what is the stance? What is the principle? First, the urgency of abolish. Second, groups them by competency and intelligence is way better than age grouping. Third, what is the parameter of the competency and intelligence? And the last thing is, what is the model? First, change the regulation. Second, social movement. And the third, make a new platform. Here we come to my arguments. So I have 4 arguments about this motion. First, we must abolish age grouping, and it is the urgency. Second, competency and intelligence is better than age grouping. Third, parameter competency and intelligence. And the fourth is the platform. Here we come for my first arguments. We must abolish age grouping because it is the urgency. Why? Based on the status quo, competency and intelligence is perfect. What is the status quo? First, because of chasing the teaching, many teachers in school will stop their teach if there are one student are understood or understand to the matter. The effect is current inequality students will in less competency will be left behind with a better one. Second, children will not comfortable with the rhythm of the lesson. They will be left behind from the smart one. And the third is discrimination will be happened to a particular student. Then what is the effect of this matter? First, the students will get no lesson from learning. The second, there will be bullying, students are stressed. The third, there will be no spirit in learning. The effect is students will be suffering. Then what we should do? And this will not be happening if we grouping them by competency and intelligence. Come to my second argument. Competency and intelligence is better than age grouping. Why? First, students will feel equal each other. Second, students will be more comfortable with the learning rhythm because they were in class with they're equal. Third, students will be more focused when there is a lesson from the teacher. Fourth, there will be better competitive culture because they will feel unequal in the class. Fifth, the student will get the maximum effect of the learning. Come to my third argument, the parameter of the competitive intelligence. What it is? Grouping them by competence and intelligence is better than priority. And how to abolish the age grouping? First, social movement. Social movement. There will be a new regulation to teacher and the students. The competence and intelligence is important for flourishing the students. Second, change the regulation. Each school will be a placement test for each students and will be grouped based on its competency and intelligence. Or for example, will be an IQ test. And come to my last argument. What is the platform? And platform is important. First, people will be educated. From what? First, the benefit of the competency and intelligence. Second, people awareness, and they will get educated. Based on the platform, there will be a social movement. There will be a new regulation. People will get more comfortable. From what? By grouping them with competency and intelligence. Based on the effect and the competency and intelligence, Competency and intelligence are important for the long term of human resources, and it is the solution to what happened in this age. It is proud to get contribute to this mission. Thank you.